Welcome to my channel. I'm your storyteller, Sharda Chandrasekharan. I'm going to tell you a story. There lived a farmer in a village. He had 4 sons. All were very quarrelsome. They used to fight among themselves, also used to pick up fights from others. They were very lazy. At the same time, they were irresponsible. Farmer used to call his sons for work, but they never used to respond, react, or help their father. Slowly, the farmer was getting older, and the action of their sons was literally disturbing the farmer's mind. Their action of being lazy and quarreling among themselves started to put the farmer under a great pressure. He was literally perturbed. He started worrying and worrying and worrying. The stress became so high that he started literally deteriorating his health. Now the farmer was not in a position to make his boys know what unity is. So he bangs his head to get something wherein he can mend his voice. One fine day, he gets into an idea. He thinks of himself that, fine, today somehow I have to implement this idea and put my boys to the task and make them understand what life is. And I have to teach them a lesson so that they can live, at least after my demise, in a peaceful manner, and they can come up in their life. As all fathers, they want their children to be well off. So this farmer, he picks up all the sticks from the village and he puts a knot and makes a bundle of the sticks. He brings that bundle to his place and then calls his son. My dear sons, I wanted to tell you something. Please do come. Sons, very hesitantly, they just near their father and say, What do you want, father? What do you want? Why you disturb us? We were sleeping. Father, without getting annoyed or without reacting to that statement, he just responds and tells them, Look, my sons, I'm getting older. Before my demise, I would like to part with my wealth to you. Now, boys are very alert. They feel very happy because they are going to get the wealth. Farmer says to his sons, But before I part with my wealth, I would like to put you on test. If you pass the test, I am ready to part with my wealth. Boys, they feel that God only knows what now father is going to give them or what test he is going to do or put them into. So it's a question of wealth. So naturally any people they're going to say okay. That father also knows. So as father thought, the boy said, Fine, we are ready to undergo the test. So please tell us, father, what we have to do. Father says, Look, there is a bundle of sticks. Boys, they nod their head, yes, there is a bundle of sticks. What do you want us to do? Father says, just each of you just bring one stick out of that. So each one of them, they remove one stick from that bundle and then comes to their father. Father, here's the stick. Father says, Now I want each one of you to break that stick. The boys, each one of them having one stick held in their hand, they very easily break that stick. Tadak, 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 tadak. Very easy to break. Father says, Good, you have done a wonderful job. Wow. Now the boys What is next? What do you want us to do? Give us the wealth. Father says, no, just wait. I want you to give you one more test. So please wait, please wait. Now the boys are a little bit confused. What is going to be the next test? So father says, now I want you to bring that bundle of sticks. The boys, they bring that bundle of sticks. Father asks them, each one of them, to break that bundle of stick as it is. The first son tries very hard, putting all his force, trying to break that bundle of sticks, fails. The second son, he also tries, fails. Third, fails. Fourth, terrible, miserably he fails. Sorry, father. Now they were worried because they knew that they have failed this test, and suppose their father doesn't give the wealth, what would be their condition? So they plead to their father saying, oh father, we are very sorry. Please, we have failed. Please give us something else. We will definitely do that. But don't part with your wealth to a charity. Please give us that. Father says, don't worry, my sons. I wanted to tell you one thing. If you listen to that. Sons are ready to say, okay, father, no problem. We are ready to listen to you. But not ready to part with the wealth. Father says, look, when I gave you the single stick, it was easy for you to break, isn't it? So if you quarrel among yourself, people will take undue advantage, just like the stick. But were you in a position to break that bundle of sticks? Boy says, no, father, we failed. Same happens if you stand united. People cannot break you. If you stand united and work unitedly, people cannot defeat you. So I want a single thing from you. All four of you, promise me that you will stand united, work together, stay together, and will never ever quarrel among yourself. And even if you quarrel, if others come to take undue advantage, you will stand together and defeat your enemies. If you promise this, I will definitely give my wealth to you. The boys, they got a beautiful lesson from their father. They were ashamed of their act and they said, we are literally sorry, father. We didn't know what we were doing. And from today onwards, we all promise you, taking an oath, saying that unity is strength. And this was a proverb. The moral of the story, united we rise and divided we fall. This proverb also taught us how we should live unitedly. So thank you very much. If you really liked the story and the moral, please do subscribe and do comment. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.